Hey YouTube, welcome back to Rhino for Noobs. So far we have covered the extrusion commands, the boolean commands, offsetting, and dupe edge. And today we're going to cover one of my favorite commands in Rhino, which is sweep. So let's get right into it. What we can do is we can create another curved line, hit enter, and we're going to go into our perspective view over here. And now, say you have two lines and you want to connect them and you want to like extrude something, but it's not straight up and down like this. It's like at an angle or like this with a curve or something, and you need it. You need something like that, right? Okay. First, what we're gonna do, let's see here. And there's sweep 1 and there's sweep 2. We're gonna start with sweep 1, which is, here we go, sweep 1. And it says to select the rail, so you're going to select this line, and then it says select the sweep shapes, and you're going to select this. Hit enter, and there you go. I usually just hit OK on all that, and boom, it does that. Now this can get a little crazy and maybe not be exactly what you want, so I prefer sweep 2, and this is why, because whenever you do sweep 2, you select both of these, and then you select the sweep shape. Hit enter. Okay. And now it covers both of those. It's pretty cool. CO copy. We're just going to go into top view, hold shift to make it ortho. And I'm going to carry it over here. And now what I want to do is I want to make it a little more dramatic. And we're going to even drop that a little bit like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that to the end there. And now let's do it again. Sweep 2. Rail, rail, object. Enter. Okay. And as you can see, it does a really great, this command is really great for fluid designs of any kind. This and the loft command, which we'll cover in another episode soon. Okay, just to kind of show off this command a little bit, I created this kind of wild fluid line, right? And it's in multiple planes. It is not just a flat line. So what I would do is I would hold Alt and copy this up. Let's go 8 feet, as if we're like kind of doing like a wall or something. Let's see if this works. Go to end, enter. Now let's type sweep 2, enter, rail, rail, object, enter. Hit OK, and there you go. Something else you can also do with this, we learned offset in one of the earlier videos, and so you can select this, offset surface, and let's hit enter. And it does that as well, and now it is a closed poly surface.